This is how to reset your oil or service on a 2017 Jaguar XJL 3.0. So first, what you want to do is have your door open and hood propped open. It can be lifted up or just simply clicked open. Turn on ignition without touching any brakes. You will get your ignition. From here, hold the brake and hold the gas. Keep holding them down till you get all these kind of warnings. Whole Christmas tree. Once I've seen this one, that's an indication that your service is pretty much over. On the other ones, it'll say resetting service and service reset. From here, I'll let go, and then I'll give it a start. Let it run for a bit. You got all the lights up here that it's pretty much gone through service. I turn it off. With the door open, completely shuts off. And go ahead and give it a start one more time, just to ensure that all these lights that popped up during the service were off. And yeah, there you go. That's how you reset it. When you go back on here, it should be all reset. And there you go.